Namaskar, myself Sujata Pradhan from Odisha. I am doing my yoga certification course by Ministry of Ayush under Mr. Narsingh Goel sir. He is a very good yoga coach. He explains some of the difficult asanas in very simple steps, due to which I am able to do the asanas after joining my yoga class or after joining these yoga sessions. I got great flexibility in my body, and also these yoga pranayam helped me a lot to improve my health issues also. I have spondylitis, due to which I couldn't move my uh, neck from side to side, but after doing 10 to 12 days of these asanas and pranayams, I felt that that pain is relieved up to a great extent, and I thank to this asanas and pranayams and our yoga guru who helped me to uh, have a better health. So I like this online yoga class, uh, which is a very nice platform for all of us, and I like it. Thank you.